If you want to block a Facebook profile, I'll show you the fastest way to do it step by step. This is a simple process, but it's really useful if you want to stop someone from viewing your profile, sending messages, or interacting with you on Facebook. So whether you're dealing with spam, unwanted contact, or just need a little more privacy, this guide will walk you through exactly what to do. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and search for the person's profile. You can use the search bar at the top of the app or website to find their name quickly. Once their profile appears, tap or click to open their profile page. Make sure you are on the actual profile of the person you want to block, because the next steps need to be done from their profile directly. Now look for the three dots menu, usually shown as three dots or a More Options icon. Tap on those three dots to open the profile options. This menu gives you a list of actions you can take, such as reporting, restricting, unfollowing, or blocking the person. From the list, select Block. Facebook may show you a confirmation message explaining what blocking means, including that the person will no longer be able to interact with you or see some of your activity. At this point, confirm the block. Depending on the device you're using, you may need to tap Block again or choose a final confirmation option to finish the process. Once confirmed, the person will be blocked immediately. That means they won't be able to message you, tag you, invite you to events, or view your profile the same way they did before. It's a quick change and it takes effect right away. If you ever want to double-check that the block worked, you can return to your privacy or blocking settings inside Facebook. There you'll usually find a list of blocked accounts, where you can view or manage the profiles you've blocked. This is helpful if you want to unblock someone later or just make sure the right account was added. One important thing to remember is that blocking is different from unfollowing or restricting. Unfollowing just removes posts from your feed, and restricting limits what someone can see, but blocking is the strongest option. So if you really want to prevent contact and cut off interaction, blocking is the one to choose. And that's it. You now know how to block a Facebook profile in just a few simple taps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful social media guides, tech tips, and quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.